My name is Shiro Maraka and I'm a resident at Unity Homes. I got to learn about Unity Homes through my late dad.
My name is Lucy Wanjiru Ngogi and I'm an investor with Unity Homes in Tatu City.
My name is Linus Dego. I'm an owner of 2 Unity Homes at Unity West.
The quality of the homes in Unity Homes in Tatu City actually is what made me believe in Unity Homes, because when I came in, the show house was ready and I could tell that the job was quality. The finishings, the doors, and all other things that make up a home were there.
And they were quite amazing. Looking at the materials that were being used and the unique way of constructing this project was really exciting and enticing.
We love the convenience to our workplace, the environment, the kids, just at least having the nature and noise around you, not bad noise, but actually convenient, and just knowing that there are people around you is very peaceful.
The community has grown over time in such a nice way that you see children coming to play in the playing ground. You've seen now the swimming pool coming up so nicely. We have the playing basketball, and the community is so neat and even lovely to live in this community.
Buying a home is not easy, but when it comes to Unity Homes, the process was very smooth. We didn't have any hiccups along the way, and actually I don't even have anything to point out that we actually had a problem with.
The Unity Homes team were really an amazing team, because when I came here, they were able to take me through the sale process and the options that were available. And that were there were 2 options then. There was a mortgage option and there was a cash option. And they were giving very good discounts for cash buyers. So when we sat down, they were able to listen to me, get to know what I do, what I needed per se, and we were able to come up with a plan, a 24-month payment plan that we were able to actually accomplish in 1 year instead of 24 months.
The one word I would use to describe Unity Homes is unit, because there is no community without unity. And that's what Unity Homes has strived to have, and that's what it is.
Having invested in phase 1 of Unity Homes Tatu City, I am very, very interested in investing in their projects because I have seen what they can deliver.
My parting shot is actually to thank Unity Homes for giving my family, and especially my dad, the opportunity to actually invest with them. And also I would advise anyone outside there who wants to invest, or you want a home and a gated community that's quiet, this is a place to be.
Come and pay them a visit. You will be amazed by the process, the discounts in place, and the beautiful homes that you're going to see.